What's going on, guys? Welcome to the channel. My Grom is finally getting back together. I think the license plate and seat is gonna wrap it up for now. I left the front fender off. I think it looks pretty cool, actually, so I'm gonna leave that off for a couple rides. Man, it's been 3 long weeks of what's the word I'm looking for? It's almost like carbonation is what bears go when they, go do their thing. That's what my Grom's been doing for 3 weeks now. Today's 3 weeks that I crashed. Oh, I cannot wait to get back on it, guys. So let me put the license plate, seat on, and let's go take it for a ride. I'm just hoping it rides decent. Like, there's so much that went wrong when I fell. It's crazy. I'm probably just gonna go down to the gas station. Back on the bike, even though it's not running the best. The back brakes are making a really weird noise. Listen to that. It's not good. Alright guys, let's get some gas. First wheelie in 3 weeks, that wasn't that bad actually. Here's a little story. When it happened, I had a couple people write me and they're like, Matthew, you should have called the insurance company and got, insurance money. You should have claimed it. Like, really? Should I have? What would I have said? Called them and be like, yeah, I was doing a wheelie. I looped it. Give me the money. Like, really? That's not how it works. At least I don't think that's how it works. So maybe it is, and I made the wrong decision on not, claiming it. But they were wanting me to claim it. Like, what would they have said if I called them and told them what happened? And they were telling me that my Grom was totaled. I was like, dude, there's like nothing wrong with it. Besides the rear set and a couple fairings, I can do that myself. Start working on it. And I came to the conclusion that there was a lot more wrong than just some fairings and the rear set. I think my frame is bent. I went on Honda and I was like, on the website or on Google or whatever, and if a frame on a motorcycle is bent, I think it's my swing arm, not my actual frame, but if a swing arm or any part of the frame is bent, it's considered totaled. So here's my totaled Grom. I mean, I don't think it's totaled. It's running not horribly wrong. Watch me loop it like on the first ride. That'd be horrible. Yeah, I don't know. I don't think it's totaled. The swing arm might be a little bent because it's really, really hard getting the swing arm bolt back in there. Like, it took me for a 2 days because last night I had to stop. I'll get a good wheelie in. Oh, I got all wet. Alright guys, that was a good wheelie. I'm stopping right there. No more wheelies for me for a little while until I can get my Grom back running good. That was a good one to stop on. So supposedly my Grom is totaled. I don't care. I'm still gonna ride it. It's running okay. There is a couple things wrong with it. Like the back brake is making a lot of noise. The suspension does feel a little weird. But I mean, it's nothing horrible. I'm still gonna ride it. No doubt about that. I do have some pretty cool videos in mind that I'm gonna do here soon, now that I can ride again. Should be looking forward to those. Man, this is a quick video, but that's gonna wrap it up for today. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, give it a big thumbs up, subscribe for future videos. I do have some really cool ideas coming soon, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace!